Adobe Photoshop 2024 is here and it has a bunch of cool new features. Let's talk about what's new in Photoshop 2024. One of the major updates we have in Photoshop 2024 is the addition of generative AI features and this contextual taskbar. For example, select the crop tool, change the fill type to generative expand the crop area, and then hit enter or click on OK. The AI fills the extended area to match your image. You can also see different variations here in the properties. By the way, if your Photoshop looks different from mine, go to Window, Workspace and select Graphic and Web. Now every time you make a selection or select an object, the contextual taskbar moves around with it. If you don't want that to happen, simply move it to the side and pin it. You can also hide it. And to bring it back, go to Window and turn on Contextual Taskbar. To remove something, you can simply use lasso to make a selection. Then click on Generative Fill and without typing any prompt, click on Generate. This way AI creates an output by guessing what you want to do and removes the leash here. If you want to add stuff or make specific changes, make a selection resembling the shape of what you want and then click on Generative Fill and type your prompt. I want to add a blue collar. Then click on Generate and the AI will create an output based on your prompt. Another cool new feature is the AI Remove tool. If you can't find it, click on these three dots and edit the toolbar. Find the Remove tool and add it to your toolbar. After you select the Remove tool, paint over the object you want to remove and Photoshop will identify and remove the object. If you want to be precise and don't want to paint in one go, uncheck Remove after each stroke. Now you can slowly paint over the object you want to remove. This is really helpful if you use your laptop's touchpad. Once you're done, hit enter or click on apply. The gradient tool has been upgraded as well. Now you can adjust the color positions right from your screen using these handles. Another thing you can do is select the radial gradient and adjust the width using this handle here. This can be really helpful to create a vignette or spotlight effect, something like this. And that's pretty much it. I'll get back to you with another video. Until then, keep creating.